Hello dear students, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this series of playlist, what I'll be doing is we will be exploring various categories of questions. Sometimes the question will be from vector, sometimes 3D. So all these questions which are very important from the JEE mains and advanced perspective. So let's start without wasting a minute. Let's take the first question, that is in a triangle PQR. So it's given A vector is equal to QR, B vector is equal to RP vector, C vector is equal to PQ vector. And again with that, if modulus of A is 12, modulus of B is 4 root 3 and B dot C is 24, then which of the following is or are true? So it may be more than one option is correct. So 4 options are there. So let's see how to handle this question now. First of all, what is given? We are given a triangle PQR. And now let's try to understand. So A vector is Q to R vector. So this is your A vector. Okay. Then B vector is RP. So this is your B vector. Similarly, PQ vector is C vector. So this is what is given to us in the given question. And along with this, modulus of A, that is given to us 12, and modulus of B is given to me as 4 root 3. Along with that, B dot C, this is equal to 24. This triangle PQR. So vector A plus vector B, since it is forming a closed loop, right? So A plus B plus C, this must be equal to 0. Now if this is true, it means B vector plus C vector is equal to minus A vector. Now this is a kind of vector equation, so we can take dot or cross or anything on both sides. So what is our idea? Our idea would be take square on both sides. So if we take square on both sides, what do we get? On squaring both sides, so we get mod of B vector square plus mod of C vector square plus twice of B dot C. This is equal to mod of A square. Now try to understand, mod of A is already given as 12. So mod of A square 144, right? Again, mod of B is 4 root 3. So mod of B square, it would be 48. Plus modulus of C square plus twice of B dot C is already 24 given to us in the question. So this would be 48. So this is all information which is given to us in the question. Now if we try to solve this out, so this is nothing but mod of C square, this is equal to, this is 144 minus 96. So this comes out to be mod of C square is nothing but 48. Now let's try to solve it by options. So first option says, see, first and second option, they are similar to each other. So mod of C square by 2, already mod of C square is 48. So mod of C square by 2 would be, this is 48 divided by 2, which is 24, right? So now first option, 24 minus mod of A. So in the first option, it would be 24 minus mod of A, which is 12. So it should come out to be 12. So it means first option is correct. Now let's go to B option. Mod of C square divided by 2, already calculated, 24. Plus mod of A, what is mod of A, which is 12. So clearly this is nothing but 36, and what is given? It is given as 30. So clearly this option is wrong. So first option is correct, second option is wrong. Now let's move to A dot B. So in this question he has also asked us about A dot B. Now how to handle this situation? So already we know that A plus B plus C, this equation very important. So from this equation, can I say that A vector is nothing but minus B vector minus C vector? And now I can take dot on both sides. So take dot on both sides with respect to B vector. So what will happen? It will be A dot B is equals to minus B dot B minus C dot B. So B dot B is nothing but mod of B square, and already mod of B is 4 root 3. So mod of B square would be 48 with a negative. And B dot C or C dot B, one and the same thing because it is a dot product. So this is 24. And this is nothing but the value of A dot B. Try to understand in this option also, in option C and option D, he is only asking about the value of A dot B. And this is something which we have now calculated. So this comes out to be equal to minus 72. So which option? So this implies D option is correct and C option is wrong. So the correct answer for this particular question is option A and option D. I hope you have understood this question. In case if you still have any doubt, please feel free to ask in the comment section. For more such videos, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned. Thank you. Thanks for watching.